Namaskar, this is Professor Eslal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per your session of Basics of Mathematics, today we shall discuss about quadratic equation, and for the sake of the convenience of your understanding, I would like to share some material. See, this is the exercise of quadratic equation. We have already discussed about this in the previous session. And now short questions. Let us write short question on quadratic equation. Let us write, please, short question, short answer questions, short answer questions on quadratic equation. This is the short answer question. The sample, just you have sample 1. Find the root of quadratic equation. Find the root of quadratic equation, that is 2x square. 2x square. Let us write, find the roots of the quadratic equation. 2x square minus root under 5 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Using the quadratic formula. Using the quadratic formula. For that, let us write the solution. Don't copy from here. You write what I am telling you. Please write. It is given that, let us write, it is given that 2x square minus root 5 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is as equation 1. Write again here, a small a is equal to 2. So see, this is a. You compare this equation. You compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then you can find here coefficient of x square is, you know, that is a. So here is a is equal to 2 and b is the coefficient of x. So this will be b is equal to minus root under 5. And c is what? That is constant term. Here is minus 2. So you have to use the quadratic formula, and the formula for quadratic equation solution is what? X is equal to minus b plus minus root under, right? X is equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So put the value of a, b, c in this result. So this will be, b means root under minus root under 5. So minus minus plus, this will be root 5. And plus minus b square means minus root 5 square. Minus root 5 square means 5. 4a, this is 2. C is what? Minus 2 divided by 2a. 2 into 2. A is 2. So this will be what? Please write root 5 plus minus 5 plus, because minus into minus is equal to plus, so 4 to the 8 to the 16 by 2a. 2 into 2, 4. So this will be root under 5 plus minus 16 plus root 5 means 21 by 4. This is the answer. These are the answers. Here you are saying that here is the direct answer, but you should solve. You should put the value of A, B, C in the standard result of what? Solution of a quadratic equation where you find x is equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and then we can find this. Students, any problem? I hope that you have understand this. In case you are facing any problem during live interaction, you can again talk to me on these questions. Again, I will be describing the fact as per your, you can say, query. Now write sample question number 2. Please write, find the roots of 6x square minus root 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 0 by the factorization of the corresponding quadratic polynomial. By the factorization of the corresponding quadratic polynomial. Find the roots of 6x square minus root 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 0 by the factorization of corresponding quadratic polynomial, that is 6x square minus root 2 into x minus 2 is equal to this. So here with the help of factorization, this you can say equation has been solved. So please write, this is 6x square. If minus root 3 into root 2 into x and plus root 2 into x, this will be simplified, then this will be giving 1 root 2x, and here is minus 2. Now take 3x as a common factor from these two factors, two terms. You have taken 3x as common, and take root 2 as common from here. So you can find this, and you see the bracket terms here and bracket terms here are the same. It means your factorization is correct as per the perception. So you can take 2x minus root 2 as common, then the factorization will be of this form. So this is giving you these two factors, and consequently this is equal to 0, and this is either this factor is equal to 0 or this factor is equal to 0. Then if you are putting 3x plus root 2 is equal to 0, then you can find x is equal to minus root 2 by 3. And if you put 2x minus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to root 2 by 2. These are the solutions of, you can say, this quadratic equation 6x square minus root 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 0 by the factorization of the corresponding quadratic polynomial. Students, this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In case of any query, I suggest you that kindly write your query in the inbox. I shall try to resolve your query from there. Further, I suggest you that kindly take a screenshot of this exercise. 4.3, this is the part of NCERT book of 11th level, and you also try to solve this question. If you have any query, we shall discuss again. Thank you very much for joining and enjoying this lecture. Thanks once again.